In a CAT paper, A has attempted 80% of questions with 50% accuracy and B has attempted 60% of questions with 80% accuracy. The negative marking is 25% for wrong answer. There are no negative marks for non-attempted questions. Who will get more marks? Okay. Now, in this particular question, we are not supposed to find out the exact marks of A or B or the difference between them, but we just have to simply find out who will get more marks. Okay. So let's assume that the total number of questions is 100, and for every question, the student gets 1 mark. And therefore, for every wrong answer, he will lose 0.25 marks. Okay. Now there are two students here, A and B. We have assumed the total questions as 100. A has attempted 80% of the questions. So A is attempting 80 with 50% accuracy. That means out of 80, 50%, that is 40 are correct, and therefore 40 are wrong. B is attempting 60 of the questions with 80% accuracy. Now 80% of 60 is 48. So 48 are correct. That means the remaining 60 minus 48, that is 12, are wrong. Now for these wrong answers, they are losing 25% marks. So therefore, into 25 by 100. So therefore, A is getting minus 10 marks for the wrong answers and B is getting minus 3 marks for the wrong answers. So total A is getting 40 minus 10, that is 30, and B is getting 48 minus 3, that is 45. So you can see out of these two people, A and B is getting more marks, and therefore the answer for this question will be option B. We can say that B is getting 45% marks, A is getting 30% marks, because we have assumed the total questions as 100.